Green tea is a popular tea around the world. Some of its benefits are too good to believe and may appear as an exaggeration. But there is no doubt that it is a highly nutritious tea. It may be beneficial in many health-related issues, but is green tea good for a cold? Answer to that is not a straightforward yes or no. We will take a closer look to understand to what extent green tea helps with colds and associated symptoms. We will also look at how to use it for best results. So, stay tuned to the end. No scientific research has yet established that any one tea can help clear up the common cold. But there is enough evidence that suggests that many herbal tea ingredients may ease respiratory infection symptoms. So, is green tea one such herbal tea which may help deal with cold symptoms? The answer is, yes it can. Common cold is a viral infection which has to run its course of 10 days to 2 weeks in most cases. Medical science does not yet have any medicine for treating the common cold. All treatment strategies are leaned towards managing symptoms of the cold. In this regard, green tea can also help in managing cold symptoms due to its many healthy compounds. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, catechins and flavonoids, which have antioxidant, antimicrobial, alkalizing and immune-stimulating qualities. These compounds may help to increase immune response to the common cold virus, which means that drinking green tea could reduce the strength and duration of symptoms. So yes, green tea is good for the common cold to the extent of reducing the overall impact of the virus. It will give you relief from the symptoms such as cough and runny nose and reduce the period of cold. You can make green tea with dried leaves. Heat water but don't boil it. Transfer the hot water to a cup and add 1 teaspoon of dried green tea leaves. Steep it for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain and drink. Bottom line is, drinking green tea is good to get symptomatic relief from the cold. It helps to make the period less inconvenient while the common cold runs its course. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.